Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow frosting. We'll guide you through each simple step to create a wonderfully fluffy and sweet topping for your desserts. This recipe uses readily available ingredients and is perfect for cakes, cupcakes, or even as a delightful dip. Get ready to transform ordinary marshmallows into an extraordinary frosting in just a few easy steps. First, we'll gently melt our marshmallows. Take about 2 cups of marshmallows, either mini or large, and combine them with 1 tablespoon of milk in a saucepan over medium heat or in a microwave-safe bowl. Stir frequently until the mixture is completely smooth and melted. Once melted, remove it from the heat and let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. This cooling step is crucial before mixing with other ingredients. While the marshmallow mixture cools, let's prepare our butter base. In a separate mixing bowl, beat 1/2 cup of softened butter until it becomes light and creamy, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar, beating until it's fully incorporated and smooth. This step creates a rich, creamy foundation that will perfectly complement the sweetness of the marshmallows. Now for the exciting part, combining everything. Add the cooled marshmallow mixture and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to your butter and sugar base. Beat all the ingredients together on medium-high speed for several minutes. Continue whipping until the frosting is light, fluffy, and easily spreadable. If it seems too thin, you can gradually add a little more powdered sugar until you reach your desired consistency. Enjoy your homemade marshmallow frosting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.